Let's make delicious broccoli steamed eggs that loves by most people. This steamed egg is simple to make and the finished product is beautiful and suitable for the whole family to eat. Broccoli resembles cauliflower, which is a different but closely related cultivar group of the same Brassica species. CK. It can be eaten either raw or cooked. Broccoli is a particularly rich source of vitamin C and vitamin K. The advantages of steaming eggs over boiling or frying them are healthier. Steaming eggs is a healthier cooking method than boiling or frying because it does not require any oil or butter, which reduces the amount of fat and calories in the final dish. Cut broccoli into florets, then chopped broccoli. Washed before chopped broccoli to remove worms and dirt. Chopped carrot. Crack eggs into bowl. One teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, pepper powder. Mix well and best until frothy. Pour enough water. Sieve egg liquid. Sieved streamed egg texture will be smoother. Add chopped broccoli. Add chopped carrot. Cover with food wrap and poke holes with fox. Put into rice cooker steam for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Remove steamed egg from rice cooker. Unwrap it. Drizzle with light soy sauce. Drizzle with sesame oil. Smooth, delicious broccoli steamed egg is done. This steamed egg recipe is easy to make and still retains a lot of nutrients. Keep it up. Remember to make it at home and eat it. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are thousands of delicious recipes in my channel. If you love cooking, do follow me now, so you may visit my channel anytime to find inspiration for your cooking. Raw broccoli is very crunchy with a vegetal, slightly sweet, and slightly bitter flavor. It differs greatly in flavor from cooked broccoli, which is often sweeter. Depending on the cook time and method, cooked broccoli can be very tender, crisp tender, or still crunchy. Broccoli is a great source of antioxidants and may enhance your health by reducing inflammation, improving blood sugar control, boosting immunity, and promoting heart health. Some people prefer broccoli florets, but you can eat the leaves and stems too. The stalk contains the most fiber, while broccoli leaves are highest in cell-protecting antioxidants, vitamins E and K, and calcium. Eggs are also incredibly nutritious. They contain protein, healthy fats, and many nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, choline, iron, and folate. Eggs are a good source of protein, both whites or yolk. They also contain heart-healthy unsaturated fats and are a great source of important nutrients, such as vitamin B6, B12, and vitamin D. Being a complete protein means eggs contain all 9 of the essential amino acids that we need for growth, development, and repair. This is important because our body cannot make these amino acids and must obtain them from our diet. Eggs are one of the best dietary sources of choline. This little talked about nutrient is needed by all of us for the formation of cell membranes and for brain function, including memory. As we age, it's normal for our vision to start to deteriorate, but there are some useful nutrients obtained from a balanced diet, which may help protect and support eye health. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel, so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.